Look at this. Okay, so what I did with the first video for the USDA Farms to Families plums was I added in there that I was probably going to stew the plums first before I did this. I did just do that, and here they are, steaming. Now this is about, I think I used about 8 plums, and when you stew them, you put them in with sugar and lemon juice and cinnamon, and you end up with a syrup. So now I have separated them from the syrup. I've drained them. I'm going to roll these up. Now normally I would have powdered sugar, like confectionery sugar. I don't have any. I'm going to drizzle these with the syrup from the stewing. Stick them in the oven for about 10 minutes at 375. So this is an improvised plum strudel made with tortillas. Very fast, very easy to stew the plums, separate the syrup from the plums, roll them up, drizzle in the oven at 375 for 10 minutes.